Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox on the website. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the official Roblox site. If you're new, you'll need to sign up for a free account, which is a quick process. Existing players can simply log in. It's also a good idea to quickly check that your computer meets the basic system requirements for a smooth experience, like having a modern browser and a stable internet connection. Once you're logged in, you can browse through the enormous library of games available. When you find a game that sparks your interest, simply click on its thumbnail to go to its dedicated page. There, you'll see a prominent green play button. Clicking this button will initiate the download of the Roblox player, a small application essential for launching games. Just follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. After the Roblox player is successfully installed, it will typically launch automatically, or you might be prompted to open it. From then on, whenever you click the play button on any game page, the game will open directly through this installed application. You're now ready to dive into the incredible world of Roblox, exploring millions of unique, user-created experiences and connecting with friends from all over the globe. Have fun. To ensure the best possible Roblox experience, a few tips can be very helpful. Always try to have a stable and fast internet connection, as this significantly impacts gameplay. Regularly updating your web browser and the Roblox player application can also prevent issues and improve performance. If you notice any lag, try adjusting the in-game graphics settings to a lower level. This can often make a big difference for smoother gameplay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.